one more. We have 14 and 1/100th subtract 23. To subtract a number, we add its opposite. And so we take 14 and 1/100th, add negative 23. To add these numbers, we're going to take the difference of their absolute values and use the sign of the one that is greater than absolute value. That means that we must write the negative 23 above the 14 and 1/100th in order to do the subtraction. The 23 has no decimal point indicated. The decimal is always understood to be to the right of a whole number. If you think about money, that makes sense. Think about this as subtract $23. Here is subtract $23 and no cents. So, negative 23, add 14 and 1/100th, line up the decimals, subtract, and we get 8 and 99/100ths. We use the sign of the one with the greater absolute value, which is the one that is negative. And so, negative 8 and 99/100ths is our final answer. Now let me give you some exercises to work using fractions and decimals. The first exercise is negative 5/12 subtract negative 1/4. Second, 3/16 subtract 1 1/2. Exercise 3, 3 2/10 subtract negative 1 5/10. Fourth exercise, negative 2 99/100ths subtract 4/10, subtract negative 12. Copy the exercises carefully, stop the tape, work the exercises, and then turn the tape back on to check your answers. Your answers should be negative 1/6, negative 21/16, 4 7/10, 8 61/100ths. If you had trouble with some of these exercises, or if you made mistakes, mark them on your paper and check with a tutor or lab instructor when you go to the lab. This concludes math tape number 053.